Cambridge, Ontario in Canada, and I discovered some red brick in this, it's supposed to be a wall. They want us to think this is a cement wall, but there's some brick bleeding through. So you can see, go down there. There's some brick there trying to get through, turn into cement. And a lot of people believe that this happened because of an X Factor event, which I'm not sure when it happened, but there's lots of evidence that it did happen. When we come down here, I'm not sure if you can see this really well or not, but you can see that there's some red brick bleeding through. And as we come down here, some more. An interesting thing up in here, they got rivets all the way down. At this level here, all the way across. We come back down here. See, there's more bleed through, more bleed through, more bleed through. A little bit of rusty bit there. That part got hit and it didn't actually get turned into the cement. So you can see here you can actually see the rivet a little bit better here. So as you go along here, we're going to see a lot of bleed through here, and there's some black stone, and that's what happens when heat is applied to brick. Is that this is what was made out of this wall, was originally what this red brick. So what the X Factor event, what we believe it was that something had hit red brick buildings, turned them into cement. In this case here, some cases it was a little bit different, but this case here, it was cement blocks, and they made this lines here. There's some more but red brick bleed through here. Some nice cracking going on here. Another rivet. Another nice crack there, and some white up there. The crack goes all the way down here, and there's actually some stones made in there. The heat's hot enough, it'll create some stones. And here you can pretty much see the shape of what the brick was in this spot here. And then down here we have a little bit of yellow, and I've seen a lot of this yellow mixed in with the red brick, but I believe that it was because there may have been some coating that they may have put on these bricks. And when I say they, a lot of people believe that these people were called the Tartarians, that were amazing building builders, which I agree with that. And somehow an event happened, wiped them all out, and they just got buried in history. And then there's some more stones there, more stones. And the rest of this is basically cement with some, oh, there's some yellow right there. Some yellow brick there with a nice crack going all the way up. A little bit of white. There's some black. See this up here, the black, when it hits there, drips right down. So we kind of, not that we kind of, there's been evidence showing that an event had hit the buildings. A lot of times either from the bottom or the top. And we're not sure what the event actually was. But there are remnants. And the buildings do speak to us and tell us a bit of the story. So the rest of this is basically black scorch marks up top. I think you see that black on this wall here is basically scorch marks all the way at the top there. Oh, and this is interesting. Oh, interesting. I-beams. They do like to use I-beams in their building. And the steel rivets. So, one example here. There will be more. Thank you for watching.